There we go. Oop. I'm live now. Yeah, slightly important. I'm live now, by the way, just so you know. So don't, like, say anything evil. Yeah, don't do that one. Yeah, I know, like, sometimes you just, like, you gotta do it, you know? Let me send out my stream announcement. Cause my stream announcement. You know what I'm saying? That was yeah, yeah. Hello, average Godot enjoyer. Happy Thursday. I beat you to it. Alright. What am I doing? Oh yes, that is something we should do. Is that Wilson messaging me on Steam? It is. Yeah. I think you broke it, yeah. There we go. Many such cases. Is that working now? Look at that. Yes. You are live. Look at that. There we go. I love when Wilson invites me to play Dota in the middle of my stream. I don't know if there's a way to turn on streamer mode on like Steam to like yeah, but I have to have Steam open to use to use stream avatars. Is there? No, I didn't know that. Yeah, you invited me again. What a goober. Silly guy. Yeah, I should go play Dota. Oh wait, I don't have your chat open. Hold up. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're evil. Yeah, which. Yeah. What if? Well, there's also the if you have enough cards in your deck, it has to cycle through all of them before you can get to that card again. And I think one thing I don't I think One Step from Eden also has like a shuffle time when you go run through all your cards or like all your spells, which we could do something similar where like once you run out of all your cards, it has to like shuffle them back into the draw, and that like takes time. So that way, like, it incentivizes you to have more cards, so that way you don't have to deal with the shuffle time. And I also think that, I don't know if we're currently doing this, but I think maybe when you start a room, it should just shuffle all your cards into the draw, so it's not based on what you were doing before. That would make sense. I think that would make more sense. Since each room is kind of its own, like, mini encounter. I don't think there's, I don't know, never mind. If draw is not empty, it leaves. Very useful. Oh, I didn't test how well you can hear my dog through my new mic settings, but you know, whatever, it's okay. Let me open DaVinci Resolve, because I can. Mm-hmm. Yeah. I was thinking it would drop a chest at the end of the room, like in the center of the room, like there'd be a spot where it always spawns. And then that would like pop up either like a pack or a relic or something like that. So that way it's not just like it just randomly gives it to you. New project. We will call this Dante 9. Does the game have any litter boxes? Ooh, interesting. Do what? Maybe. That could work. There should be a chest in the game if you want to mess around with chests. Dante 9, we're gonna call this Dante 9 video stuff because I'm great at naming. I don't want to open, or I don't want to update. Yeah, because why not? So what do I do? I don't know what. Edit tab. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I just like haven't used any video editing tools much at all, so it's like it's very new. Um, so import. Let me pull up. Not currently. Where did I even save this? UI? The card binder preview thing. I mean, I know it's in the game, but I don't remember where I saved it on my files. Because I have two of them because I'm stupid like that. Two of them. Cards? Is it in cards? No. Whatever, I'm just gonna pull this out of the game because I don't know where I have it. Where is Dante 9? Assets. sprites. Testing. Now I need to remember what it's called. Card binder preview. Do I just drag this in here? Where do I put it? Oh, can I just... Okay, I just didn't know like where, if I can just drop it in here like that and that works. Oh, eventually. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah. So what are these tabs up here? Why is there two of them? This is live media preview. How do I... This? This? Oh. Yeah. How do I close it? I don't see a close. Nothing. I might be down here at the bottom. Match frame. Oh, I'll figure it out. This? No. Uh, uh, just right click everywhere. What does this do? It's a little dot. No. Oop, did I add a... What did I do here? Why is there a dot there? Oh. Oh, wait, what is that? Yeah, I don't know how I added that. Um. Hmm. Oh, wait, maybe if I... Oh, no. That's zoom. Maybe it's like above? Above? No. Oh. Well, I managed to do that. I don't know how to close it now. Uh, mm-hmm. Oh. That's... Yeah. Okay. So now you... Um... I don't know what any of these buttons do. How do I... I want to make it not fuzzy. Ah, okay. Oh. It's still fuzzy. Real time, retime process. still, yeah, yeah, it is. It very much is. Yes, yes. This is it. Doesn't seem to be making a difference at all. I like this, then be like, no. Well, I gotta learn it at some point, so. Oh. Oh, it did. What? Oh, it did something. What did I click on? I didn't even. Maybe it just took a while. Yeah, maybe. Oh, okay. I see. Okay, well, that works now. What, how to glow, you said toolbox, but I don't see that. Effects. I got it. Um, I guess I can just search glow. Glow. How do I make a whatever the other track that you said? The yeah. Oh. And then glow. And I just drop that on there. Oh, look at that. Let's actually let's just make you smaller. And then ooh, I'm gonna kill my computer with this. Godot did not like me resizing that. I think I killed Godot. Rip. Oh no. Oh, it just made that really small for some reason. Art test. 2D. Laser pointer. Look at that. Now we just adjust this. Still looks right. Um. How do I? Fungi. Hello. So what do I change to make this do things? uh, oh, I see. Okay. Shape is like the size. That doesn't do anything. Oh, it needs to be lower. Oh, okay. I think this also needs to be, oh, that needs to be turned way, way down. Oh, that's probably I'm trying to think. Is this based on before it's scaled or after it's scaled? I'm wondering. The size of the image. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, but we're having fun. Does this? Yeah, it has the. Well, that's how you sell a game. Shut up. I'm making TikTok. TikTok. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I love Instagram Reels. Ooh, that looks nice. Color wise, no. Hmm. Why is it so fuzzy all of a sudden? Color wise, that's close, but it's like really fuzzy. Trying to figure out, is there a way to like make this? All I can do is change the spread. Wish there's a way to change the opacity. Oh, there's opacity here, but that's just gonna. Hmm. Yeah, but I want to get it like close. Like, why is that so blurry like that? Did it get changed back to the other filter mode or something? Hmm. Yeah, because if I set it to 0, it like doesn't do anything. Maybe it's just because I'm zoomed in so much. Because if I turn the glow off, it's still like a little blurry like that, which is weird. It is. Yeah. If I set it back to, yeah, if I set it back to project settings, it's weird. Yeah, I think it's just because I'm zoomed in so much that it looks so wonky. So true. Is that Salmon the fish? It's the guy from the card. Look, wait. Where is it? Ignore the fact that my windows are messed up, but look, it's you. Look at that. That's possible. That pixel art is fire. Actually, it's water, but whatever. Who's counting? Yeah, that was pretty funny, wasn't it? I'm sorry. Yeah, this looks about right. Color wise. Let me look the purple one and see, do I have that in here somewhere? No, I don't. Okay. Here we have this guy. We can check with this guy. How does he look? Okay, that was really good. That was not that funny. I'm not funny. Top 10 unfunny people right here. Okay, this is much better for getting the color right. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Okay, well we got the glow. Now how do I save this? The glow to like whatever your thing. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Power bins. Is there a way to like make this a power bin? Wait, what? Where's the three dots? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I can just drag it in here. Oh, it's a. Oh, I see. This one. Here we go. Okay. Call this Dante Glow. Okay. Oh. I said "guh." Sorry, I said "guh" while I was taking a sip of root beer, so it probably sounded awful. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, does my mic sound good? Does it sound like okay? Does it sound like tolerable? Just wondering. And that's for people on my stream, not on Biddy stream, because on Biddy stream it is going through Discord, which somehow just magically makes it sound better. Yeah, but like it sounds better. Yes, it sounds okay. Okay, well that's good. We got external validation that it sounds okay. Because I don't think you've been on my streams before, so that's good. Because before I was having issues with my mic just sounding terrible because my mic is kind of terrible. So I changed some things and now maybe it's better. Okay, what else am I doing with DaVinci? I don't know if there's really anything else I need to learn right now. So we got that time to work on Godot. Something. I don't know what I'm doing today. Look at the to-do. Where's the to-do list? I am fried today. I don't know why. Guess I was working, but job. Where is this? What is it called again? First floor MVP. I always forget what we called the file. I can never find it. Maybe I'll work on some of the new cards. Oh, I also wanted to get some of the stickers working with the soul projector, but I don't know how to do that. So maybe I should figure that out. So how do I stickers? I want to make the big sticker work. I want to make the big sticker work on the soul projector. And I guess I could just look at the other ones and see how they do it, but okay. Okay. And where do I put this? Just in the ready. Okay. Cool. Size. And is that a multiplier? Okay. Oh, like the sticker. Like, is it multiplier? As in, like, when you make the projectiles bigger, are you multiplying it by the size? Okay. Yeah. That. Yeah. And this is for like any stick. Like this is all the sizes combined, right? Like, say you had like 3 size stickers. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay. Cool. So now I just need to get references to all the different things. Why are there 2 card equipment visual folders? Okay, sure. Let's hope that's the right one. That was not the right one. That folder is empty, apparently. Oh well. I'm trying to think, Biddy, where should I put the like default size of this to make it easily changeable, like for balancing? I guess just on the ability. Cause like I was thinking I put on the card resource, but I don't think that's not something we can really do. Okay. Yeah, it probably won't. Yeah. Yeah, the size. Really, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna be lazy and just, yeah, I'm being lazy. This is true. Wait, texture. Okay, this might work. That may have been a lot easier than I thought it would be. Assuming it maybe works. Okay, never mind. Cannot call method has meta on a null value. Hmm? How do I do that? Ah. Card instance. Oh, no. Oh, is it because... No, I don't know. No. Mm-hmm. We'll try it and see. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, that's probably just because I'm stupid. Yeah, I'm dumb. Yeah, no, it's because I did the wrong thing. This should be the... Wait, no. This should be a collision shape, not a... Uh, oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right. Well, that seems to work. Yeah, just a second. I want to see if the size actually works. Oh. Yeah. Well, all of it. Yeah. And I need to fix the particles as well, but... Okay, but it, like, kind of works. And you said salami. That works fine. Let me see. Yeah, it works. Okay. Well, I will fix those not being unique. I don't know why my mouse just keeps disconnecting. Oop. It's kind of fun. Let's try that. Hello. Good. Let's see. Oh, I forgot to set an export. Many such cases. Mm-hmm. True. I love export things that we can use. Nope. They're both still big. Mm. Um. Oh, I need to set it to local to scene. Is what? Yeah, right. I tried. Yeah, I tried making it unique, and that's the wrong one. Don't worry about it. Okay. This is the texture of the area thing that. What? I don't want to scale the sprite because the texture is. If you look at the texture, if I change the width, oh, that's. Yeah. Yes. So it'll dynamically make it bigger, which looks a lot nicer. Which works. Okay. But it's the same thing with the area, right? The collision shape area. And then also the particles. And then also these guys. For the bubbles, yes. For this guy, I think we actually need to make his velocity higher. No. Be the lifetime. Yeah, I think this guy I want the lifetime to be. This is a little messy, just having a thing that's like multiply this by this and this and this and this, but once it's done, so. Nope. Oh. I messed it up. I love how big the Jupiter sticker is. There we go. That one's small. Add infinite mana. And then this one's big. Look at that. Beautiful. And the particles do work. Oh, perfect. Just changing the lifetime works perfectly. Wait, what's large? Oh. Well, the main difference up here looks like it's the length of the text. Interesting. Okay, yeah. I don't know then. Make sure it works if we do big and then small. Can I turn on collision shapes while the project's running? Oh, okay. Just want to make sure it works. Also, do I need to change something to let the specific stickers show up in here? It's like the size doesn't show up by default. I have to like manually debug add it. I need infinite mana. Yep, that works. Beautiful. Now we add more of them. Oop. It's really big. Did that? It doesn't. It. So sorry. Question. Um, I don't remember. We got a bunch of errors for some reason. 27. Is it this that's causing errors? No. I still don't know what the heck is these. Yeah. Yeah, English is not my first language. Look how big this guy is. Oh, yes, yes, yes. How to add sticker. Like how to allow it to have the size upgrade sticker. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, look how big this is. That actually looks really nice with the gradient texture. Ignore the hitboxes, but that is cool how it works. Particles are a little wonky because they aren't perfect, but it's close. Yeah. Best viewers. Oh, sorry, I didn't see. Do you guys have a planned release date or release range for the demo? We are gonna hopefully have a demo by the end of the month. Actually, we will have a demo by the end of the month, and full release will be sometime next year, hopefully. Okay, buddy. Oop, I forgot to turn off collision shapes. One thing we should add to the to-do list that I want to add at some point is the damage numbers in like the little corner when you're picking the card so you can see. The bottom right. Not on that. On the card. It's on the card. Yeah. On the card, it will say how much damage it does. Yes. It will always show it, but like you're not gonna see it because it's the bottom. It will be next to it. That's what I was maybe thinking. I guess there's not a whole lot of space with the. I don't know. I thought that was like rarity, but that's what the plan was for me. Yeah. Yeah, I know what you're talking about, yeah. Well, it would, but I could use like symbols and colors. Yeah, I like that. Well, there'll be an icon there. Yeah. I think that'll be damage. Yeah. I don't know. I saw it too, don't worry. No. Alright now. Oh, you also need to push up the thing where the um this thing. Oh, is it? Oh, it is. I'm stupid. I'm a moron. It's literally right there, yeah. Where do I change the values for that? I want to see what it looks like with the little gradient. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's literally right here. I'm a moron. What does it do? How do I change it? Just come in cut. Okay. It's a little too late now. How do I mean, I'll try that and see if I can figure out what it does. Yeah. Nice. I can't see. Yeah. That's exactly what I wanted to change. Crazy. She's almost as old as me. She's a whole year older than me. No, I'm sorry, Dom. I'm joking. Hope I love when my keyboard randomly turns off. Oh, oh, now my D key is stuck. There we go. Ah, this actually looks nice. With the like little gradient, because it's like nice and rounded around there. Then it gives a little gap like in between the wall for contrast, so you can still see where it is. You know what I'm saying? Twin, twig. Yeah, the ratio. Oh, like uh, don't I don't know. Sure. Oh wait, what do you mean ratio? What are you asking? I'm confused. Oh, it's 1 to 3. Or no, not 1 to 3. 2 to 3. Oh wait, what do you? I don't know. Never mind. You figure it out. I don't know what you're asking. Oh, uh, 1.3. No, 1.3. No, 1.6. I think it's 1.6. I don't know. What do you? No, I'm pretty sure it's 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I said. Yeah. Yeah, but like I wasn't doing math because I'm dumb. Because I thought that I it was close enough. Look how nice this looks with the little gradient around it. You can like see where things or like the it gives like so much contrast to the platforms. Yeah, that's what I meant, like the contrast. Yeah, I don't know. It came to me in a dream. Hi, hi, annual several. People really just be having anything as a name these days. Like, what kind of name is Bitlytic? Bitlytic? Let me see, would any of the other stickers that we have apply to this guy? I mean, it's the trigger twice, which could work. But that'll be easy to implement. Um, because I think all we have to do is say like ability dot do thing double. I don't know, maybe. Yeah. Trigger size negative. How would it trigger infinitely? Oh yeah. But it's not a chance, it reactivates once. I mean, we could do one that's a chance, but yeah. It's just like a Alright. Just a little bit. One, two. Okay, so this will have 5 stickers that'll apply to it. That's good enough, I think. So this is, I think this guy's pretty much done. Oh yeah, I wanted to add some juice to the bees. Wanted to add a death bee. Actually, I think I could just do this with the Gibbs bomber. Oh, it does only work with double check. Oh, this works if you don't have an enemy. Okay, good. Look at me writing good code that I can use for multiple things. If this just works, I will be very happy. I did not forget to set the export, don't worry. Rip. Eh, 600 by 700. Also, you don't need the card name in the top left because it's on the card. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It adds readability. Yeah, I love reading the same thing twice in the same exact font. Um, sorry. Where's Beehive? Bzz, bzz. Yes, yes, we are. Oh, does that not work? Let's say try that instead. Buzz, buzz, buzz. Why do you guys not work? We have errors. Oh. Oh, it expected 1 argument. Dot bind. What do you want? Is the question. Ah, last attack. Oh. Oh, I guess we can just make a new attack. Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. Well, we can just do that, and that works. It's okay. It works. If it works, it works. And I don't know if this works, so we're gonna see. Maybe. Well, I don't think that worked. Oop. Ah. It doesn't, it's called deferred. It's in the spawn object, so what if we do? Pizza. Pizza. Yummy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Jeez. There we go, it's finally working. Look at all the dead bees. Oh, that's so sad. They just drop out of the sky. Yep. Oh. Whoops, swelling. Let's see how many dead bees it can handle. Well, that's a lot of dead bees, but hey, I think it works. That's so sad. Why is this one bee just traveling at like 2.2 meters per second? June. Oh yeah, I have been streaming for over a year now. They're just kind of crazy. Okay, I'm going to nerf the bees again because they do way too much damage. Meow. This is true. I just done silly cat pictures. It's some. It's. I mean, uh, it works. Okay, let's try the nerfed bees. See how they work. Wait. I broke it. Oops. Biddy. I'll let you do that first. Yeah. This error when you leave the room while there's still the loop timer or loop audio player. Cannot call method create tween on a null value because it can't get the tree. Oh, yeah. Let me put this in all the other ones as well. Speak for yourself. Yeah, me too. Something like that. Something. Kitty cat. Yeah, me too. Wait, why are there dead bees in this room? It still spawns the dead bees even if it's in a separate room. It broke something with the Gibbs spawner. Whoa. Oh, yeah. I see. Where in this? Oh, wait, what? Oh, okay. Oh, we also have a bunch of errors. Oh, it doesn't like this. Oh, I guess it doesn't like doing this. Oh, it's if it's not in the tree, is inside. Sure. Oh, not is inside. Good to know. Okay. I don't know. And then B and the B. So you're saying connect it to another. Oh, that spawns them. Okay. Here we can have. Oh. If it is. I got it. I got a twin. Twin. The bees are so sad. I wonder if we should give the bees hitboxes so they can get hit by enemy attacks too. Maybe not. I mean, that would kind of make sense because they're like little entities, but it could also, yeah, I guess that would also make them block the enemy attacks, which would be a little bit overpowered. Yeah, although I nerfed the damage quite a lot, so if you look one of them. You're doing a balance pass because these things are kind of awful now. I reduced the damage by like half, and now it takes like 3 of them to kill anything. I think also the ground guy just has so much more health than like any of the other ones for some reason. Yeah, and I think like the flying ones have like 50. Yeah, that's what I meant. Sorry, 30. What did I say? Did I say 50? I my brain was literally thinking 30 and 50 came out. I love how somehow I got the sound design for these just right that like it doesn't sound obnoxiously loud when there's a million of them. It's just like it just sounds like more bees. I'm very very happy. These huh? This might be my best sound design I've ever done. Okay, I'm happy with that. Blech. Trying to think, was there anything else I wanted to add to these? Oh yeah, I guess I could add the size as well on these guys. I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I'll see what happens if I just scale the visual and the because that would also scale. I guess if we have the hmm, we'll let's try that. Let's see. Because the issue is if it's large enough, then it wouldn't fit through little gaps. But I guess it's not a issue, especially if we have the new pathfinding. It'll work better, and it would be kind of funny to have that be like a downside that they just can't fit through things. We probably want to make the large size card also make them deal a little bit extra damage, just like a small amount. So it's not just like size. In here, size property. I guess we want the B. Although I guess we should probably have the size property in both the throne, the hive itself, so that way it doesn't look weird. Um, we got big bees. They can't fit through. I'm trying so hard. Oh, I didn't make the Gibbs larger. Interesting. Ooh, I don't know how I'll do that actually, now that I think about it. Got big bees and small bees. I don't know how to make the Gibbs larger. I have no clue. I can make the sprite larger, but yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, I guess I add that now. Yeah, this seems useful though. So do I just do 4? Or I guess I could just set this as a variable. Oop, hello. Thank you for the raid to Searching Interactive. Hello! How are you guys doing? What were you up to? Oh yeah, how do I do that? Shout out. Did that work? Let's go, I did it. What was that? Oh, is that my job now? We're working on crab meat. That sounds fun. What is crab meat? Yeah, what does that mean? I can show you what I've been working on in just a second. Working on making your enemies a bit more juicy, whilst making my bees a bit more juicy. You'll see in just a second. Crab meat. That's kind of a great name though. Does it have a Steam page? I will gladly go look at crab meat. Ooh. Steam page. Why did it open this as like a tab in OBS? Ew. Whoa, this looks really cool. What the heck? That is very sick. I see crabs. It looks like crab meat, but yeah. That looks sick. Let me like copy paste this so I can actually wishlist it. Can I do this? Am I allowed to? I'm trying to copy the link. There we go. Is Arctic Eggs a horror game? It's like, yeah. I'm trying to think. Did I play? Was somebody was playing Arctic Eggs? Was it me? I don't think I. No, because like I remember playing like I have the memory of either playing it or watching someone play it, and I honestly don't remember if I was the one playing it or not. Here, let me put you on screen for just a second so that way I can look at my Steam. Yeah. Oh, oops, I accidentally muted my stream because I clicked on the wrong thing. Sorry if you just didn't hear me talk for a second. I suck. Let me look. This guy's struggling. There we go. Well, that one doesn't have a... Like, I do kind of like that. Because it makes it clear what they are. I would make it maybe a little bit smaller, because it's not that important. $210, yeah. Yeah, that looks about right. I can't hear Bitlytic. Did I? Oh.
Did you mute?
Oh, I had my audio out.
Have I been muted the entire time?
Yeah, you've been muted the entire
You bastard! You bastard! Everyone was like, dude, Bitlytic's been real quiet this stream.
I had muted the audio output capture. So that way
that's fine. That's
I
why my
didn't
stream is
hear everything else. So everybody didn't have music and other stuff. Oh my gosh. So sorry.
Has it just been you talking the entire time?
Yes, it was just me talking and nothing else.
Oh my lord.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's too small, I think. I think 15 is too small. Maybe 20 is the right spot.
Oh, let
Larger
me
than
turn on
description.
my limiter. That will keep it from clipping.
Like this? Something like this? This
Let me
looks
look.
good.
Yeah, that looks good, I think.
Okay. I need to make these the same size throughout.
Yeah.
And I don't know how exactly I want to do that, because I kind of just want them to all be like a set size regardless of what content's in them. So something like this, but I don't... that description is like making me angry. Are you on Bitlytic Vision still?
Yeah.
Do you mean to be?
No, give me just a second. I'm just finishing this code, sorry.
Yeah, it's fine.
There we go. Okay, now we'll see if the
Whatever.
bees work.
Bees.
Bees.
Boom.
Boom.
The rolly store with the rolly on.
Oh yeah, my hands have been feeling a bit better since I've been going to PT, so that's good. For anybody that didn't know, I hurt my hands by playing Rivals of Aether 2 too much.
Is that true?
No, that's just part of it, but that's the story I like to tell because it's funnier.
Fair enough.
I think that honestly the biggest thing that was a cause of it was the parkour night for Minecraft that we did, because I was
did you hear that?
Because I was just holding down the W button for like 3 hours straight, and that was not good for my hands. Obviously, that's not like the entire thing, but nope.
I don't like.
I cannot call method has meta on a null value.
What's
this again?
Yep.
What do I do?
Nulls. So you go up the stack and see where this was called.
It's the size property thing again. It's the exact same thing.
If you go back, yeah, because you're. Can you go back to where it was? So go. Yep, there.
Here.
But no, stop. Just once. Yeah, there you go. You're good.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah,
so
I'm done.
Look at that and tell me what's wrong with that. Yeah, why the fuck is that up there?
Because I want to access it.
You just like. You have to use that. You have to use that later.
Here. Yeah.
So you could have also another thing you could have done is at onReady to, if you wanted to.
Yeah. At onReady preload.
Yeah, onReady preload is like.
Yes, Lukaiza, I did have fun. That was very.
That was a very fun night. Yeah.
And I did finish the parkour. It just took a while.
Color theory.
What do you want?
What do I do with these things? What colors do I make the panel background?
The background, you keep it that color.
Both of these should be the same color, or do you think this should change? Because I didn't change. I changed this to something else.
Oh,
because I wanted there to be a separate background so that it stood out a little bit. I didn't like it just being floating without.
Put a slightly darker background square like that behind the card as well. Or even give it like the 3D thing. The 3D shadow that we have. You can do that.
Oh, he's asking so much.
Brother, you're a programmer. You can do it.
I know I can. I'm just like thinking about, because it's this like has a shadow kind of.
Oh, look how big the bees are now.
Shadow.
Very large bees. They cannot fit through. Oh. Oops. I accidentally. I need to multiply the scale. Silly.
Sorry.
Okay, that didn't work. Are there errors? There are no errors.
There is a shadow. What's up?
The thing didn't work.
Print out the scale at the end of it.
Okay.
Like do a console.print give that scale.
I always forget that we have the.
Are you also still on Biddy Vision?
No, I'm not.
Okay, just making sure.
Yeah, thank you. Because I forget.
Yeah, you do.
Many cases.
Uh,
Oop, I broke it.
happens.
Well, there's a shadow on there now.
Shadow.
Oh, never mind. Why is it setting at 1.5? That size? Yeah.
Yeah, that's the size that it should be sending.
Is it?
Right? Isn't that what the size is?
Well, I added 2 of them. How many does it add?
You didn't add 2 of them. The first one got killed.
Oh. Oh, so it adds 0.5? Okay,
Yeah.
but why is it... The
I don't know,
scale
that
isn't
one's-
scaling. Is it because
Yeah,
of
that's
how
now
the
a
Gibbs set up?
spawner of like, what is
Let me
that
look.
giving? Yeah.
Why would this not affect? Is my setting the scale somewhere in here? No. I don't know.
That is a crazy script to see, by the way.
What? What do you...
It's got so much going on in like
There's no
some of the most
scale.
insane ways possible. The mix of var, const, on ready, and static var all in just
Don't
like a
worry
whatever,
about
we'll just put it in
it.
one block.
Don't worry
No spaces
about
in between
it.
shit. Just one continuous fucking receipt
works.
of like shit. Oh, hello, Discord. Thank you for
Actually,
coming to the center
it doesn't
monitor.
work currently, but so why is this not working? I don't think it's an issue in here. So this is printing the scale. So it is a give object. Do you have any idea?
What?
Why it might not be working?
So let's do it. Yeah, we'll do a couple things. So if you go into the give object script,
Oh,
if you scroll down, is there a physics process or anything in here that you can like hook onto?
There's process.
Yeah, there's a process. Okay, that's chill. Can you kick down a line and do an if input equals or input dot is of action just pressed, and then we'll just toss like some fucking random one in here, like debug 2. It's probably fine.
What button is debug to?
Do you want to like take a guess?
No. The number 2?
The number 2 on your keyboard.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And then what do I do?
Yeah. And then if you can do like scale, I was gonna say like scale equals like vector 2.1 times 5, just to like see if it does anything, because it's either an issue of scale does nothing, or it's an issue of scale is being overridden, or it's an issue of like something else. Let's find out by like forcing it to be something.
Yeah.
And like honestly, you could just like kick over a stack of books and then hit the 2 on your keyboard, because those are also give objects.
Yeah, it's getting reset by something.
It is.
Oh, interesting.
It is sometimes being reset.
Sometimes, and then sometimes. Is it somehow like the rigid body is doing that?
It might be. I could see that being the case, but I don't.
Because
know
yeah,
why
it seems
would
to be that like it's only sometimes that it like gets reset. It seems to be when it's not moving. Let me look at this. Because that would make sense, because like I don't think rigid bodies like being scaled very much.
Yeah, size changes to rigid body 2D will be overridden by the physics engine when running. Change the size and children collision shapes instead. Okay, yeah, so it's just gonna have to be something like that. Where
Okay.
so what you could do?
I have access to the collision shape and the sprite, I think.
So
Yeah, and the sprite.
Yeah. Okay.
So I can just do it. Alright,
So-
that's fine.
Just show me what you're gonna do.
I'm going to figure out where my code is. It's not there. B.
Nope.
I was looking at the wrong B. We're gonna do dot sprite dot scale. Like
Alright, before you do that, undo. Yep. Go into gib object and make a function called like set scale or something, so you don't have to grab each individual thing.
No, I don't like that.
What do you mean you don't like that? You'd rather grab specific sprite and like fucking components
Yes.
from a scene? Why?
Well, are you saying to put it in the gib object?
Yes.
But I don't. That's adding more code to that. I don't like that.
Yeah, but then it also makes it so that if we ever have to change the scale of a gib ever, you have a function to do
guess.
it. And
Fine.
also, it makes it so that your B doesn't have to know what's inside of the gib scene. It can just
Fine. Yeah,
call a
you're
set
right.
scale
Yeah,
function.
you're right. Scale.
It's also less code because you don't have to do gib dot b for everything. You can just grab the
I
sprite.
guess I'll make it a vector too.
Bah, 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 bah. Sorry, I had to make sure that my
Actually, we should probably make this be scale. I think scale's fine. Never mind. Is it?
You could also make it a float if you wanted to, but it's your call. Whatever your thing is.
I'll do a float. Fine.
I mean, it's genuinely up to you on which one you want it to be. What am I doing here? Why am I just staring at this U? Oh yeah, I wanted to give you a background. That was the problem. Probably just like a panel container.
Oh, does this have a? This has a
set scale. Might just be a
yeah.
Set size. You could do like override
scale
or like add scale. Yeah, anything like that.
Well, actually, just set it to be equal, so it's not. We're setting it. We're not increasing it. Vector 2 dot 1 time scale. What do you mean sprite isn't? Oh, I'm dumb. I'm putting this in the wrong script.
What script did you just put that in?
The
gib
spawner. Yeah.
Damn.
We want to be in gib object. And then we want collision. Is it okay to scale a collision shape? I guess we'll figure that out.
Yeah, I think so. I'd be very surprised if the answer to that is no. Oh, you don't have a collision shape, that's why. If I were to just go in here and W or E, R, R. Yes, you can scale a collision shape.
Somehow I feel like our code is like so messy, but it works so well. Like sometimes it's just a mess, but then it just magically
Well, there
works.
are certain parts that are definitely a mess. There are certain parts that are not. There are certain really, really good parts of the code, honestly.
Yeah.
And then there's like some parts.
Yeah, then there's gib spawner.
And then there's any UI code.
See, the thing is gib spawner, it works really well. It just looks really gross.
It looks really gross.
It looks really gross, but it... Oops, something looked weird there. Did something look weird? No, I guess it's fine. It looked like something scaled strangely for like a frame. Kill this guy. Oh?
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, it doesn't know about its sprite?
Oh, apparently not.
What?
Don't know. It should. Is it because?
Wait, is that what it's
Oh,
saying? Hold
it's
on,
because
let me
it
go to the
hadn't. It hasn't
things.
added it to the scene. It hasn't added it because it's on already.
Oh.
If it's an export, will it work?
No. Wait. Huh? Wait,
Because
can you go back to where
this
you're
is
calling set gets go up the stack
it's
one second.
setting here. It's setting it
Yep, and if
here, which is
you
it's doing it when it's spawning it. It's before they're added to the tree.
Oh, is the add method call deferred then?
What?
Control click on spawn gibbs. Scroll down. Okay,
Yeah.
it is call deferred. Okay. I see. So if that wasn't call deferred, it actually would have been fine.
Yeah, but it wasn't before, but then I was having errors and it said to do that, so I did that.
Yeah, so couple ways that can be dealt with that I will kind of let me think about this for a moment. Is call deferred return anything?
No.
No, it doesn't. That's annoying. Kinda.
A little bit.
Okay. Let me think about this for a moment. One, if it's exported, yes, that would fix it.
Okay, then I'll
Simplest
probably
answer,
just do
yes.
that because that's easier.
Yeah, you could do that. You'd also make it await ready, but I don't like that.
Yeah. No, we don't need that one to be export. And yes, we're gonna have a mix of export and not export just because I'm too lazy to change both of them.
Class name below the extends as well.
This is old code. Don't worry about it.
That's like why I'm worried about it.
So yeah, fair.
What am I doing in here? What am I doing in card visual? Why am I in card visual? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, you. There. I think we're good. Mayhaps this is
Oh,
just
it'd
word.
probably help if I
Might
made these
crash.
guys really big.
Oh shit.
Wait, what happens if I add this while they're spawned? I need to actually add the sticker pack. Not that this is a situation that you would be in, I don't think. Oh, I broke it. Oh, no, never mind. My mouse just turned off.
Oh, that's
My
kinda
stupid
really
USB
funny.
hub just randomly disconnects. It's really annoying. It used to only do it like just after I turn on my computer, but now it just does it like whenever it feels like it. Okay, that works. We can have double-sized bees. Oh, now they're really tiny.
They're tiny.
Why are they tiny?
Oh, they're tiny. Teeny tiny.
Why? Oh.
I know why.
I know why.
He figured it out.
So we can
well,
just
too.
multiply it. It's fine.
Yeah.
Instead of setting it.
This thing. Third option. You need this. You should not be. Should be shrink center. Yay! That like kind of works. JW, thoughts, prayers. What am I changing about this?
Oh, I meant like
Others?
the shadow, like the
I don't.
like the hover thing,
shadows
because then
a
you can hover
bitch,
over it.
though. I know, but like, okay, I'll add the fucking
There we go.
shadow.
It works. So like cover ups, they're so big.
Whoa. Holy shit.
Kinda
The body
funny.
of bees goes crazy. Guess I'll get rid of this. I don't want to add the
It's
shadow.
pretty
I'll add the
funny.
shadow.
What does... I want to check.
Actually, do you have the ability to hover? Hover into...
I'll make the fade on these faster, so that way they're not just sitting there for so long. Okay.
I love lambda functions. Don't. They're okay. Okay, hover doesn't work because the button is blocking mouse input, correct? Focus, no. Mouse, pass. Okay. Yeah, that's like not doing anything. Why are you not hovering?
Okay, there we go. The bees now fade out faster, so they're less in the way.
Bees.
Bees.
Bees. Why are these not getting hover events? Buddy. Where's the hover event? There's like a UI debugger, right? But like it doesn't do what I want it to. It's only for clicking. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I think let me double check what other stickers.
I want right as control receive mouse input or I've clicked through. I've clicked on through UI input. Yeah, that's like what I'm talking about. Does this not do what I thought it would? Am I like stupid? Have I been misleading people for like months now? Oh wow, the imposter syndrome is finally happening. That's kind of cool. It's finally kicking in.
Does it work?
What? Kinda, yeah.
Okay.
I thought that this would... It says ignore. I thought that pass would do the exact same thing, but apparently not.
Okay, that's cool. I don't know what any of those do,
That's
so
actually like a
good luck.
slight problem. I guess I could put this underneath the card and then this would work and then I could click if the card had... If these were set to...
Should we make the piercing work on the B card? So they can hit multiple times? That'll be kind of overpowered.
Oh, God, evil.
But we probably should. Oh yeah, let me add the
Like fucking crazy.
I mean, that was kind of the... We were planning to have like some summon cards, so what the...
This is true.
Now that I think about it, yeah, these probably would be better as a summon card, but since you throw it out, I think it makes sense for it to be an equipment. Oh, why does it... I'll let you cook.
Oh no, this is for debugging. The button's
Okay.
just there.
I was like, why is there a giant button? Okay.
Yeah, normally it's invisible. I'm just trying to see if I can just use this, but the answer is no, I cannot.
Oh, is there just an invisible button?
Yeah, because I was hoping that I could just like click to have it do the thing, but it's not. I'm clicking on sub viewport container. Ah, bitch. Whatever. No, that's a problem. No, it's not.
Sub viewport container is all the way at the top.
It's fine. Don't worry about it.
Okay, I don't know what you're doing. Never mind. I can't help.
That's okay.
I'm tired. Where is...
Are you a card visual? I actually don't 100% remember. You're not. No, I am. This isn't even a card visual. This is a fucking description card. I'm like... I hate writing UI code sometimes. Yay, okay. The shadow's there, the 3D effect is on. Cool. Whatever. You just can't select it right now because I don't have the button enabled. So these don't have the ability to be clicked, do they? How am I doing that in the Forge? I guess I'll just take a look at the Forge because the Forge literally does exactly what I want it to.
Oh. I said oh.
What's up?
Okay.
Oh.
I was saying oh to whatever you said. I don't know what you said. I'm trying to figure this
rewriting code instead of just like grabbing whatever the fuck Forge is.
Yeah.
Mouse event. What are you? What? Why the fuck am I using a mouse event? I'm sure that it matters. I'm sure it makes sense. Honestly, at this point, I'm sure it makes sense. Because if it didn't make sense, then Forge wouldn't be doing it. Am I right? Or am I right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay, dude. Funk. Select card. Have card. If covered card. Have card selected. Emit. Covered card. Should make some of this a little bit more generic, but whatever.
What the heck is your movement code for the bees? It's so complicated for them just like bouncing around randomly.
Instead of bouncing around randomly, yeah. Yeah, they like move towards the dude. You can just like fucking kill all of that though.
Okay. I was gonna like try to reuse some of it, but yeah, let's not do that.
That worked. Okay, I think if I do a redeal now. Okay, cool. I have the salami in my inventory. Cool. Yay. Hard work. Also, I pushed up or I didn't push it up yet, but I have a fix for the what the fuck? Oh my god, I just had like a crazy illusion in my fucking mind. I thought that this was a half of a heart instead of the 9 icon.
Oh, that's crazy.
And like if I blur my eyes a little bit, I can see it as that.
Yeah.
I have a fix for the card shit that happens down here with the fade out based on the different window sizes.
Oh, okay, let's go.
Yay.
That's fire.
Just a little weird. So they're weird in little spots. Like here.
Yeah, that also should probably be a little bigger.
Yeah, it is large on some sizes, but large on other.
Yeah, that's weird.
It's because of the screen size or some shit that I'll.
Yeah, something.
So that works. Okay, how does this look, JW?
Yeah, that's good enough.
Different colors on this, or?
I think that's good, yeah.
Okay. Yay. I'm trying to think if there's anything else we want to have for demo for this. I mean, obviously it doesn't have like an animation that shows that it goes into your deck or anything, and it should.
Yeah.
If you click
I
on it,
think
you should go
I'm
away, and then
trying
this
to
should
think.
come off the screen and then go into your deck.
I think this is okay for like the playtest, but I think in the final one, I think I would want it to be just the cards, and then if you hover over them, it says like the description and things like that, like off to the side.
So how would that?
Kind
You
of
mean
like, you know how like in Balatro when you hover over like a Joker or something like that, it like pops up a little
Yeah.
thing, and then so it has like what it does, and then underneath it, it has like separate little rectangles that have like the modifiers.
Yeah.
So something like that.
You know, I'm gonna
Because I think it
experiment
just
with
looks
this
cleaner when
before.
it's just the cards that pop up, rather than having like all the text and things like that.
Might be. I'm gonna do some changes to the tooltip, I think, because I'm so fucking tired of this thing being annoying. Like whenever I hit the pause menu, it just pops up like that.
Yeah.
It's bound to the inventory rather than just like a thing that always exists.
Yeah.
So I think I would rather this be like something that just exists in the world
Yeah.
rather than whatever. And then how would I gain access to that? How would I want things to gain access to that? I guess we have a UI manager, don't we?
I don't know.
We
Tooltip
do.
dot do thing.
We do have a
How do you
UI
jump to a
manager. I might
resource?
just do
I don't know. Do I?
Huh?
They asked how do you
How do
jump
what?
to a resource?
Control P will
Oh,
open
that,
up the
yeah.
thing. Or you can control click on something, and if you are using type safety in Godot, it will go to the definition. Or I guess like it depends on like where you're talking about. There's like 8 different ways that you could do it based on the context. Control P. Okay, I see. Oh, do you have my screen on? Should it be?
I did for a second. I don't
Okay.
anymore.
Set tooltip. I think for now I'll just do like a title and a description. Because this could be part of the UI manager, I guess, which is not a scene. No. Okay, that's fine. I will do. So what is? Oh yeah. var tooltip. Tooltip. Is equal to. Okay, what does this do? It's gonna crash. Yeah, duh. UI manager dot set tooltip. I don't like that. I think I would like a tooltip as well. What the fuck? You have a hovered element thing? Why do you have that? What does that do? God, it's been so long since I looked at this code. Hovered elements. I know what you're talking about. I know what's good. I know what's going on. Very talkative stream tonight.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm locked in.
Oh, shit. This is like working kind of. It's like way the fuck back there. I need you to be like hella in front of everything. You're not gonna be hella in front of everything. Aw, man. Could I make this a canvas layer? I guess there's nothing like stopping me, right? Sure. No, JW, you don't need to be locked in anymore. It's November now. It's not October. He doesn't get this one, but I know Lukaiza does.
Okay. What am I doing here? Do I need this?
Alright, good luck, Lukaiza.
Good luck. Have fun. Gua. Ba.
Evil fit. Discovered this card somewhere. Bullshit. It's right here.
Many such cases.
If card and card discovered. Which one of those is not true? Because one of those should be true. Both of those should be true.
I'm just gonna hit the play button and see if this works. I don't even
Card
know if I
exists.
finished all the code. But help
I'm just
those.
gonna hit play and hope it works. Yeah. Yeah, many such cases actually.
Oh, it'd probably help if I moved and slided.
Might be. Am I like going insane here? Did I not just check these exact things? Console.print card. Card exists. Okay. And console.print card.discovered is false. Oh, you're false. You shouldn't be false. You should be true. Where's discovered being set? I thought discovered was being set to something. It's on the visual. Discovered true. Discovered. I guess I'm not doing it to any of the cards, am I? How was this being done before? Oh, I know. Card. It would be in the inventory now, or sorry, the deck. whenever I do add card. If not, card dot discover or dot card discover done discovered. True. Sorry, I don't understand. This starts off at like the top of the screen or something and like shoots down afterwards. Maybe not. Maybe I'm like losing my mind, who knows. And for card option, whenever you get hovered, what if I were to just say like UI or to UI manager dot set to hovered card dot title? No. Name? No. Card? Name. Yep. Found it. Oh, cool. That was a little funky. That's actually really funky.
Hmm. Hmm.
I don't know why that sometimes that whatever, I'll figure it out later. So let's say what if the card just like showed up here? What if I just put you here, buddy? What'll that be like? Oh, cool. You have a panel in your background. I didn't realize that. Die, bitch. Maybe don't die, bitch, actually.
don't know what's wrong with my bees. Something like
What's wrong with your
that. The tooltip I feel like is a
bees?
little too big.
Yeah, it might be. Also, the cards are very small. I feel like with the cards being in the
Yeah.
screen by themselves, they should maybe be a little
I
larger.
also like when it's like to the side of the card, not the mouse. Like
Like over
we
here.
can have it on the mouse as well. Yeah. So you can still kind of see the card. Okay, I see
Mayhaps.
that like instantly gets set to 0.
Yeah, I'm not against it. I just don't know. Also don't know why these are not scaled correctly, because I feel like they should be. Yes, they're not. Oh shit, big cards. They scared me a little bit. They are so large. Oh shit, that looks weird with the fucking... That looks weird, kind of cool. If I were to change the scale of this thing as well. What's going on with your bees? What's wrong with your bees?
I don't know.
What you trying to do? Oh, you're using nav agent stuff. I actually don't 100% know how that works.
Yeah, I probably know more about it than you do, to be honest.
A little bit. Yeah, because I don't use those fucking things.
Yeah.
Those evil fucking bastards.
Yeah, a little evil.
Little evil, little fucking...
Wah.
Big card without the big shadow. Hey, no big shadow. No, no, no. Why the fuck is the shadow not large?
Okay, so the target position is working. It's just that something, for some reason, this isn't.
If you turn off the avoidance, does that work?
Yeah, let me see. Because yeah, that could be causing issues. Oh, maybe it's because they all spawn like directly on top of each other.
Could be.
Weird.
You don't have to go to the other room to throw them out.
I didn't think that guy was technically an enemy. No, still doesn't work.
No, he's an enemy.
Okay, I didn't think he was in the enemy group.
Good luck, good luck, good luck. Yeah, anything that
still
uses
doesn't
enemy
work.
base will be in the
Oh,
enemy group.
yeah. Right, change that. So the target position is being set fine. The navigation agent target position.
Mm-hmm.
It's just that this
is
keeps
it
getting
calculating
set
the
to
space
0 really
velocity?
fast. Yes, because I was printing desired velocity, and that would like go to 0 like really fast.
Turn on, go scroll down on your navigation agent. There should be a thing for debug. You can turn on the path drawing.
It is.
Oh.
But this wasn't working.
Well,
I
then
don't.
that means that it's... I was gonna say spawn a single bee, but you can't really do that.
Not really. I'm
Is
just
there
trying to...
something else that you have to do? You have to wait for the navigation region to like compile or some shit, right? Is there
That's what
something you need to
velocity
do?
calculated is. I think
Is it?
the
I don't know.
velocity computed.
Let me take a look at our other. I mean, I'm sure you've got like the fucking the goober spawns or whatever.
Yeah, but those guys are a little more complicated. But I tried going through them and seeing.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. I don't know why that was
I don't
changed.
care
I saw
enough.
that too. Yeah,
Yeah.
that doesn't change anything. I know.
Yeah, I don't care enough to read it. Let's
I think it'd be
see,
in the
where
movement
is-
driver.
Yeah, this guy. I do want to revisit this class and turn it into a component that is better than the shit that was happening in here.
Yeah.
And that. Fired velocity is inside of velocity calculated. Hmm. Are you setting the nav agent velocity to anything?
Oh.
I don't know what that does. I would just
I don't-
use the thing from the fucking physics body, but I guess
Yeah.
maybe you just set the nav agent velocity.
Yeah, I think maybe.
What is apply path movement? What even is this? Who are you called by?
Oh, do I need to do?
Oh yeah, instead of the follow state, it does player that thing. Nav agent velocity is inside. Yeah.
What do I set it to?
You set it to whatever the fucking move direction is and the speed. Like what the
Oh,
I guess like
okay.
what it wants to go to, like what speed it wants to be. I don't 100% know. Big old pumpkin.
I don't feel like you don't set this.
I don't know. Control click on it. What does it say?
The
So that's
new
the new
wanted
wanted velocity for the agent, the avoidance stimulation. Yeah, so it'll say like what
I don't think
where
that's
like what speed it wants to be. And then velocity calculated will say okay. You can probably just do like
If I do body dot velocity.
yeah, body velocity.
I don't,
Probably.
I don't think
would
that's
imagine.
right. You said this guy's technically an enemy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Then do you have you have the target. So what you were doing in here is you were grabbing you got like a move direction. Move direction is equal to so you get the next path position.
Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is. The path. The path.
Oh wait,
the
is
path, the path.
debug Oh, navigation's off. Or
Huh?
this thing. Right? One of these things.
Oh,
If you
maybe.
turn on
I don't know.
debug,
But
there's no
I
paths
remember now.
here.
I remember now.
I'm curious now. What does that look like? Give me the card. I don't care what card it is. Give me a card and let me spawn in a dickhead and see what it does. I don't see anything. Nothing?
Let's just try this and say if this works.
They have avoidance. I thought the avoidance would show up on here. I guess
Oh, you have to
not.
turn on visible avoidance. Okay, that still doesn't
Right,
work.
bitch. It's on.
Hit next path. Oh wait,
Whatever. I don't care enough to figure it out. You should also make sure the target is set. I would imagine it is. I don't know a world where it wouldn't be.
Target it.
Is
Well,
that
target is
is
not.
that using the code that I
what?
wrote, or is that
Yeah, that's yours. Don't
target?
worry about it.
Okay.
I got it. This probably won't work either, but. No. No? No.
Can I see what you're doing? Can you scroll up a little bit? I keep scrolling. More than one line of code, preferably.
Let me look at the other guy again.
Okay.
Cause yeah, I just need to remember how you do it. It's not like hard. It's just getting it to work. Node and target.
What? Launching the fucking game.
What the heck is
looking at
node?
the thing.
Where? What am I calling this? Whatever. I'm not gonna worry about that.
It's inside of one of the states.
I don't know what node is. Whatever.
I like. Oh no. Okay, this thing card. Shadow. Yeah, buddy, where are you? Scale is 1.
You sure that thing's a enemy? Let me double
Should
check
be.
on the other ones, because I know the other ones are.
You can just like, yeah.
No. I'm trying to think. Honestly, don't know why this isn't working. Let me print stuff.
I can't wait for it to. I know 100% it's gonna be like the simplest fucking thing in the world.
Yeah, it probably will.
It's just gonna be some random shit. But
Probably. That was almost 9:30. What the heck? Oh. Cool. Now it's just not printing anything. This should
Because you
print.
have avoidance disabled.
Oh yeah, duh. Well, that's probably why this wasn't working at all.
It should be doing something though. Like
No.
it should be showing
No,
a path, right?
No. It wouldn't work.
Why
It
not?
didn't have avoidance. Cause I don't know, but
It
I just know that
100%
it
show
probably
the
would.
path even if there was no avoidance.
No. See, it pops up for a second and then it's like, nah.
Are you overriding the nav agent's velocity still, or did you get rid of that?
Yeah.
Oh, you are.
I'm not changing the velocity anywhere else. No.
Change the beehive so it only spawns one bee. That might be like a
Wait a second.
play for now.
Did
Wait
I
a
do
second.
this in the first stream, right?
Yeah.
Let me try this one. No. Weird. Yeah, I don't know why it's not showing the paths. Or like the paths. I think it might be something with the paths.
Oh, your navigation layer set the 2 instead of
Yeah,
1.
it is too, because I added one. Actually, wait,
Yeah,
no, I'm
why?
stupid. I don't
Yeah.
know. Yeah, I think it should be 1. I think you're right. Because it's technically for enemy avoidance, but then I...
Yeah, we can add a second layer if you want, but I believe by default it's only set up to be layer
Yeah. Yeah.
1. Yeah.
I'm really
Yeah.
smart. Well, that works.
So if you want there to be a second layer, there would be something that would be added to the navigation region, which we could do by
Yeah.
is there a ready function in here? There's not a ready function. Func ready. Set navigation layer value, layer number 2 to true. Do that if you wanted. That way you don't have to go through and set it in every single navigation thing.
Okay, I didn't hear what you said at all, but yeah. They go flying.
Holy shit, they want to fucking kill him so bad. Oh my god. Oh my lord, they want to kill that motherfucker. Oh shit, dude. Oh. Huh. Your game is running like shit. It's probably because of all the prints, to be honest.
Yeah.
Well,
Maybe. I can't tell.
I don't
Let's just
know.
get rid
I
of
would
those
get rid of
because
the
it
prints
seems to be
but,
working.
yeah.
So I think I want to
play.
turn the speed down a little bit. Turn the acceleration down. And then I'll just need to figure out a way to like set a random target position every little bit of time. Yeah, that's like better. Let's see.
Why the fuck are you not listening to me? What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell? Okay, I made the bees. So if I turn on the acceleration, they're a lot kind of dumber.
Yeah. Good. We want dumb bees.
Yeah.
I like my bees stupid and dumb.
Yeah.
Idiot mode bees. Yeah, I'm gonna add the fucking worst shader that we have in the entire fucking...
Let's go.
Where? Oh, it's the material. I was material. Shader material. I'm gonna add the most fucking performance intensive shader in the entire fucking game. Of course, full screen blur.
Let's go.
Which is apparently the strongest fucking shader that exists in the history of ever.
See how this feels. We don't have the visual on. I don't know if that does... What the fuck? Where did my mouse go? Hello, mouse. This like blurs way faster than I expected. Which is maybe fine, but I just heard my fucking GPU start going off. Hilarious. This shader is like really... I don't know how the shader is even like the hardest fucking thing in the world to run, but apparently it is. What's the fastest way to get a random point within an area around the bee?
Are you doing it within an area around the bee, or are you doing that around in a...
And it's like a circle around the bee.
Navigation?
I just want to be... yeah, in a navigation, actually, yeah.
So,
Is there a get random...
There's a get, like, nearest, or get closest, or some shit like that. There should be, like, some point thing. I don't remember the exact.
Okay, my keyboard turned off.
That's okay. Oh, shit, so, hold on.
Wait,
if it's possible to add animations together for a scene without having a character controller, you've been trying to troubleshoot this for so long. Add animations together in 3D. I'm assuming you mean like for like a skeleton, or like you've got like upper arm animations and then lower body animations. If so, I don't have a ton of experience in 3D, but I know that the animation tree allows you to combine them together. Like you can have separate animations for the top of your body and the bottom of your body. And something about blending between them. I would check out the Godot animation tree docs, because I believe they mention 3D more there than I could ever give you advice for. Let me see. If you want to point around something in a circle, though, you could just do...
Oh, yeah, wouldn't it
like, do you want it to be anywhere in a circle around you?
Yeah.
Or do you want it to be like on the edge of the circle?
Anywhere. I basically just want to pick a random target for them to go to if there's no current target.
So you can do to get a random point. You would do like angle is like randef range.
Oh,
0
is
to
target reachable? It's a
360.
thing.
Ah, I see. You need deg to rad on this,
Oh
which
wait,
will give
no,
you a random
that's
range.
is target reachable is not what I want.
Yeah, it's not.
Yeah.
So this will give you a random angle, and then you can do vector2.right.rotated angle. This will give you a random vector pointing in a direction, and then you could make this, if you wanted this to be like 150 units away, or you could do like, if I wanted it to be between two numbers, you could do this. And then that would give you the random point in a circle.
Okay. You can send that to me.
Yeah, I can. I knew you were going to ask. I already started tabbing into Discord. There you go. You don't even get code formatting. You don't deserve it. Let me actually, I'm going to also open up the docs because I'm fairly certain the thing that I'm talking about is the thing.
I'm pretty sure it is, yeah.
Is it off of the navigation region? Thanks. No. That's specifically that. Agent. Nearest. Closest. Well, either way, it will do that automatically for you inside of the navigation agent.
Oh, will it? Okay.
Yeah, if it's outside of the map, it'll just try to get to the closest point that it can.
Okay.
I'm looking this up now. Get this point on path. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that's not amazing, but you could do that. There's a function in navigation server called map get closest point, which takes in the RID of the map, which you can get from navigation agent.get navigation map. Not that you need to do that, but you can if you want.
I'll just see how this works first.
Okay. Are you doing that every frame?
What?
Are you calling that every frame, or are you only calling that every now and
No,
then?
every now and then.
Okay, it'd be really funny if it was just choosing
Yeah,
a random
no.
thing every single frame. JW core.
This is true. Oop. Oh. Yeah, it would help if I like actually returned the random point.
It might be like somewhat useful. Holy shit. Hello, Master Liberty. How you doing? Don't refer to him as my furry noodle.
That furry noodle, not your furry noodle, but yeah. He's right.
Huh?
You said
What
your,
did you say? Yeah.
and he didn't say your.
He said it's the soggy croissant and their furry noodle.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see. I was looking at the wrong
Meaning
message.
me
I'm
and-
dumb.
Yeah. Is my stream laggy? I can't tell. My like OBS is
There we go. This
lagging,
does actually
but I
work.
don't. Here's the card
I think I
selection. by
might
the way,
want to make
thoughts
him even
and/or
more a little
prayers.
random. But yeah, that's definitely better.
And then I could have it pop up thing over this, but I don't know, because like it's gonna block the other cards, which is maybe like not the worst thing.
Yeah, that's okay.
Oh shit, I zoomed in. Hello, Dante. I want to get a new meow sound in there before the next demo. Oh shit, I forgot about that. I didn't
What?
show anyone this. So whenever the enemy's off screen, it pops up a little area that shows you where the enemy is.
Oh, no, not that. No, not that. Anything but that.
And it's not really in 3D. You need to make a sprite for it. If you want it to look better, you got to make a sprite for it.
Okay.
Fun fact: that is not a 3D arrow. That's all in 2D. It's 3 lines being drawn. I've got a relevant image for this. I got it. Dude, I'm rendering lines again. Let's fucking go. Who has time for fucking whenever you got lines to be rendered? Look at him. He's so happy to be part of this experiment.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely a little laggy. So why are they all going down there? He's dead. Why are they still down there? Hello? He died. Why are you guys still trying to kill him?
I know why.
Why?
You don't know why?
No.
Can you show me your the function that you use to get a closest point? Or to get a random point?
Oh. This one.
Okay. There is a problem with that, yes.
Oh, yeah.
What is the problem with
It
that?
needs to be global position plus.
I was like, man, they're going really close to the 0, 0 point in that room. Surprise, bitch. 'Cause that is the 0, 0 point.
Yep. Silly me.
Here. Oh, it's fucking 9:40. I might call it quits here now. But I've got the card selections quote unquote working. And by quote unquote working, I mean it just is working.
Does it add a card if you pick it? There we go.
Yeah,
Now
it doesn't put it in your hand, but yeah.
They wander around.
So if I go ahead and pick a card,
Yeah,
which
then
card do you
they'll
want me to
drop
pick?
out of the
Which
sky.
of these 3?
Hold up, your stream is lagging or for me. Oop. Oh,
Do I have... Hold on. Oh, I do have the frame rate
Yeah, it's
set a
dying.
fuck ton. What's up?
yeah, it's just loading on my screen on your stream. It's just like a loading.
Has it been that for...
Not for long, no. It was like.
There, I restarted it.
Okay, yeah, now I can see. You should pick
Which one?
the pistol.
Whoa, alright. And then if I redo cards... Pistol!
Whoa!
Yay! Okay, cool.
Let's go.
So you want that to be like a chest that whenever you open it up, it turns into a card thing?
Probably, yeah. I haven't really thought about it much
Okay,
more, but
fair enough.
let me see. Does this work?
Also, the tooltips are now like global, which means like if I
Oh,
wanted,
nice.
what would be something else? I guess like hover over like, get over the mana. Like we'll just do that real quick. Not this is a permanent thing. What's the mana called? Is it just mana bar? There's too many mana bar.ggs in this fucking project. Excuse me.
That's kind of nice. This wasn't intentional, but the bees kind of just like. Oh, I guess it's because of the avoidance, but they kind of just like spread out. The avoidance might be too big. I just realized. Can we turn on what is visual avoidance? Does that work? The avoidance area might be a little large.
Oh shit. Tooltip. Yeah, that's not working. Okay, so this is the wrong one. Fair enough. Player.tskin.
Oh, thank you, visual avoidance, for showing me the avoidance that is definitely there. Let me just look at these and see how the size is. Radius is 10, neighbor distance is... I guess that's fine.
You could probably actually lower the neighbor distance, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Maybe lower the max neighbors as well if you wanted to make the performance a little bit better.
Because yeah, also it's okay if they don't have to perfectly avoid each other. There we go, that actually works really well. It's so cursed. Let's fall out of the air and die. Nope. Oh.
What's up? Oh. These aren't being hovered. You can't. You're not getting hover events. What the fuck?
Well, that works pretty well. Oh, I want to see what happens if I make them really big. Because that might break stuff, but... yeah, they just get stuck. That's really funny. They're too fat. But I think it'll work fine because we should not have that small gaps in the actual levels.
Yeah, I agree.
I should be able to go to the other room without it crashing. Nice. Oh, that was weird. Where's my mouse? I broke something with the card selection and now my mouse is disappearing.
Hold right click and then let go of it.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah,
I think it was because I was holding the card selection when the room ended.
Maybe.
Let's test this.
Well, there's another enemy in that room, isn't there?
Yeah, probably. Yeah, there is.
Yeah. I guess this introduces a whole new line of bugs, which is
Maybe that's not what it was.
can
Well,
you
that
like
is a
over
bug.
click?
No,
Yeah.
yeah.
I was gonna say this introduces a whole new line of bugs because before you had to be attacking for a room to end, but I guess like you could have technically done this before, but now
Yeah. Now you get to watch the
asynchronous
bees
things that
die
try to
in
kill
slow
your enemies.
motion.
Whoa.
Oh wait, does this
Small.
does this mess up the audio
Yeah,
looper
small issue.
too?
I don't know. Small issue with the Gibbs is that they don't spawn in the same direction as the bees. Holy shit, those
Yeah.
bees are fucking tweaking.
Yeah, they do that because the X velocity keeps changing.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
might be something I want to
Should
change.
make the
But
Gibbs spawn the same direction as the bees are facing.
yeah. Oh,
Why is that so laggy?
I don't know.
Is it laggy? Can you go?
It
check the
won't let me.
debugger and see
It
if
won't let
frame
me
rate
let
is-
go of the guard. I can't.
Yeah, so like tab out of the game
Yeah, what?
and then check your debugger.
Oh.
Monitors.
5.
5. Dope. All right, can you check your profiler and see what's going on? Okay, and then stop. Set random target is being called a fuck ton of times.
Where is set random target?
Where's that being called?
I don't know. This wasn't me. Set random target.
What do you mean that wasn't you?
Oh, I see. I'm a moron. Yeah.
Oh, you're like recursively calling that shit over and no. That's bad. Bad.
Yeah.
Very bad. What the fuck are you doing? You gotta be like. You can put You could just do like a delta timer instead of doing like the get tree thing.
Wait, what? I'm trying to remember how to do that. Oh yeah.
So you could do.
Sorry, I'm so tired right now.
You got it, man.
You
You got it, or do you want me to got it?
You got it. I don't know what I'm doing anymore.
All right, scroll up in the code. There's no way I said scroll up, and the first thing you did was scroll straight down.
I scrolled up.
You moved down first.
No, I didn't.
Go ahead and add a new.
That was my mouse tweaking.
All right, so yeah, new line. Var. We'll just do like current target time. Set that to 0 with a decimal. All right, scroll down. Where are you doing the? If target has what is target a node or is target a position?
Target is the enemy, so that's like if there is an enemy, do this. Else.
What is has target doing?
That's just so that way I know if there's a target or not.
Is that being used anywhere?
Yeah. So that way, if that was because I had the timer.
Oh, if an enemy spawns or something.
Yeah, if there was like
Yeah,
if
I
there
guess
was
that
an
makes
enemy
sense.
while that happened, yeah.
Okay, so if you scroll up. Yep. So inside of the else block here.
Hold up, my keyboard turned off. There you go.
Go ahead and kick down a line. Current target time plus equals delta. Okay, and then go ahead and kick down another line. If current target time is greater than or equal to, and then whatever you want the time to be, where it says search.
How
No,
fast is this gonna be?
It's well, that would be. Well, hold on. Sorry, I didn't realize you were doing a random time.
Oh yeah. I mean, I could just do a set time, but
well, you could do a set time, but we could also just do this. So instead of adding delta, subtract delta.
Oh, interesting.
Check if it's less than 0 or less than or equal to 0. kick, like, yeah, if check that, like, block thing. And then toss set random target in here. And then you can kill both of those, actually. Like the is inside tree thing as well.
Oh, yeah.
And then inside of set random target, you don't have to check for has target anymore. You are no longer creating a timer. You can tab that back.
Oop, my keyboard turned off. Give me a
Shift
second.
tab. You got this, man.
Give me a
I
second.
believe in you.
Give me a second. There we go.
Yeah, you got this. Okay, and then you can do current target time equals randef range, whatever, inside of the set random target function.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. And how many does it? I'm trying to remember off of what a good value is. What would be
0.5
like
to 1.5? That's what you had.
Okay.
Was that every second in that range it would change?
Yeah, that works, I guess. I don't need has target anymore, do I?
Nah, you shouldn't. How are you checking target?
However you checked it.
Oh, okay, this is doing that. Okay, it's checking it right now. I see.
Yeah. There we go, that's a bit better.
Yeah, the main issue was just that the shit was crashing after a while because of all the timers being made.
Yeah.
Oh shit, Jose. You have an obsidian issue? Question. You saw that I managed to do on there. How do I easily move completed ones from the active list? I don't. We just have like a checkbox. We just do checkboxes and shit. And then we scroll through and look for things that are or aren't checked. And then I guess eventually you would just like highlight the entire block, cut it, and paste into a different one if you wanted to. However, there are a lot of add-ons on Obsidian. One of the ones that a lot of people like is one called a Kanban.
Yeah, I was using one of those at one point, and then I stopped using it.
Yeah, that's similar to...
I don't like it.
Yeah, it's very similar to like Trello, that I'm sure you've used, and I'm sure you hate that name after hearing it. Trello,
Okay.
my fucking beloathed. Probably, maybe.
Probably, maybe.
Probably.
Yeah, I don't know. It sounds nice, but then like you try to use it, and it's like I don't like it.
Yeah, you don't want that. Fair enough. Yeah, me neither. I don't know. I don't really like Kanban boards that much. If she could move the row like in Notion.
Crazy.
I have never used Notion, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. Is that might be where I call it tonight, to be honest.
Yeah, same.
I'm kind of just sitting here waiting for
Biddy pulling a me. Bro, probably sitting on Instagram
no, I mean, I
Reels right now.
No, it's on TikTok.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
I wasn't actually sitting on TikTok.
Yeah, you were watching my beautiful fish over and over again. Boost the algorithm.
Item in Notion. Cool. Here's the...
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
Whoa. It's the card. I should also make it maybe darken a little bit.
Yeah. True. And hey, I did that whole stream and my hands aren't hurting very much at all. Maybe a little bit.
Whoa.
Oh.
Oh, that is too dark. Still too dark.
Not dark enough.
Not dark enough. Maybe 0.5 was fine.
Yeah.
Over the card real quick. Oh, we fucked up. You sure? What's up? There's like some extra space I need to get rid of up here. It's just kind of annoying.
Also, you might hate this, but all of the cards should wobble a little bit by default.
Sure.
Every single card. Always.
All cards always?
Yes.
Always.
Yes. And then they should do like an extra little wobble when you select them, like in the hand and things like that.
It's gone, but there definitely was a card shadow. No, there is.
There is.
Sorry, what did you say, JW? What was the last thing you just said?
Yeah, and like when they're in your hand, they should like wobble a little bit more when you like select them, kind of like Balatro. Because you love Balatro.
Elgato Balatro.
Yeah.
I mean, like, I could do that. It's not like the hardest thing in the world to do, because
Alright.
like if the card was duplicated behind it, but it was fully opaque. Yeah, so there's definitely a card shadow.
There is a card shadow.
Right? You're talking about this thing, right? If I like, you're talking about this shit that's like back here in the back right now. That stuff. Or like, am I being stupid right now? Because I could totally be misunderstanding exactly what you're saying. Also, that's what it's fucked. Sorry.
Evil.
Yeah, but it's maybe
Buglytic.
Buglytic. Why Buglytic?
Because I don't know.
Oh, you meant like bugs isn't coding bugs. I was like,
yeah.
I'm not a beetle at all. This thing is pissing me off. Because it should start off as like completely not doing anything to the screen, and then it should turn on, but it's not. But yeah, fuck. Right, I think this should be. Oh, the shader doesn't care about the modulate. Very nice, very cool. Sick and epic. Thank you,
True.
shader. I don't like this shader at all. It pisses me off every time I have to look at it. You know what the craziest thing is? I'm fairly certain I could add that card wobble like unbelievably or relatively easy.
Relatively
like
easy.
I'm pretty sure I could just. I think I could just go like. If physics prosody we do. I could do like var index is like get x. And then I could do like var rotation. Well, not the rotation. Sorry, just the rotation, right? Equal to sine of current time. I guess I could do like engine.get time, right? Isn't there a thing that's like that? Get ticks, get. What is the fucking thing? Do you know it off the top of your head, may chance? Ticks. Time.get ticks. There it is. Found it. Thank you, JW.
My pleasure.
Time.get ticks in milliseconds divided by 1,000 times. I don't fucking know. Times the index might work. Let's find out. Please don't do something terrible.
Oh, it's not doing anything.
Doing anything.
Or if it is, I can't notice it.
Console print rotation. 0. Big 0. Big Zero fans in chat. Oh shit! There we go. Now they're.
That's the wrong rotation, but yeah.
Didn't you mean that you wanted them to move like that, or did you mean like?
That meant the
just side to
3D
side?
rotation. Like
They rotate side to side in Balatro, don't they?
No, I mean maybe a little bit, but like
Definitely
no,
not like
that's not
that
what I
amount.
meant.
That amount is like a lot more.
I meant like
for
the
sure.
3D rotation. I
Yeah,
don't
like
think
do
they
something like
rotate side to side at all in Balatro, except for like when you select the card.
I thought that they did.
I don't think so.
He doesn't think so. Oh, cool. Oh, duh. Let's, we'll just do float index and see what that does. 5 by 10 or something.
It's the wrong rotation.
Shut it, you. Card rotation dot x. There. They're not rotating at all now. It's way too fucking small to notice. Dude, why aren't they moving?
Is that the wrong rotation value? Is it being set somewhere else?
Might be, who fucking knows. I might just not be. Is there a set rotation function? No. Alright, cool. Card rotation. Vector to folder 0, and then whatever the fuck this value is.
I mean, I know it works because I did the thing where the cards rotate around constantly. So it has to work. Because I did that where I just slapped it in there and it worked.
It might just be getting overwritten by something.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. But as I said, I did that thing where I just made them rotate. And it just worked.
Oh, it's just rotating really... Oh, it's... You know what? It might actually just be in fucking degrees instead of in radians, because I'm... Yep. Okay, yeah. There it goes.
Oh, that's why you... Okay, I see. Bro thought it was radians.
Yeah, because that's like the
this
default.
guy.
That's like the default. That's just like how it should be. Where's the back of the card?
I don't know.
Why are you not spinning? Why aren't you spinning? What the fuck?
I don't know.
Why is only some of them spinning? Either all of you spin or none of you do. But the only one that spins is this dickhead?
Probably because
They
they're
don't even have a back.
they're being overridden.
Probably, yeah. That's my guess. Yeah. Probably.
Oh well.
Whatever. Don't worry about it. I'll figure
You
it
can
out.
add that later.
Yeah. Oh, I see. Yeah, what's going on there is cool. If I do a print stack, does this tell me where it's being set from? Are you still being set? You are. Every single frame.
Fire.
I see. Inside of process,
Oh,
which is not
nice.
a function in here. That is in the display card holder.gd under process. Do you get called even if you're not visible? You don't. Okay, cool. Think fuck. Excuse me. Oh, I see. Handle rotation. Ah. Yep. There it is. Which would mean that I would... Oh, because this is slurping back.
Yeah, you could just say like
Card last ratios, mouse ratio. If last ratio does not equal mouse ratio. Oh. No? If is approx mouse ratio last or target ratio. Does this stop it from working? Oh, cool. What? Oh, because this is vectors. Yeah. Macaulay here proceeds to work for another hour. You know how the fuck it happens. You know exactly what I'm doing. I'll be doing this shit all the time. Yeah, you're still calling. Oh no, wait. Okay, yeah, so there's nothing there now. And then you can be like card rotation dot y or dot x is equal to sine of time dot get ticks u sec divided by 1,000 times like I don't know 45 degrees. Oh shit. I didn't expect them to do that. I won't lie. I don't know why they're.
Why are they tweaking?
Oh
like
shit!
that?
That's microseconds. That's microseconds. Fuck, not milliseconds. They started jamming. Oh, look at them go! Wow. Cool.
Yeah, a lot less than that. And then it should also wobble like up and down too, like kind of like circle. You know?
Kind of like circle.
Like it goes like. Ooh, oh,
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I know what you're
yeah,
saying.
you know what I'm saying.
Let me find where the fuck is card rotation? Please stop printing the stack. You can be done now. You're good, dog. Don't worry. You can go home. You can go home. I said you can go home. There's back in the fucking building. Now would be a really good time to get raided, don't you think?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are going in the same direction. I would like to offset you by like.
Shouldn't that not be
a
X?
Second. Oh, you're so right.
Look at that.
Wow. I don't like them spinning that way. Let me actually, before I do that, I want to make sure that these are like actually spinning in like a noticeable amount, that they do look like a circle. Like kinda are, but like
yeah,
not.
it's like. That's good enough. Oop.
I actually don't know why they're.
Oh,
not.
and the shadow is broken too. I was like, something doesn't look right. The shadow is broken.
Yeah, I know. The shadow is completely separate. Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. You can figure it out. You got it. I believe in you.
Yeah, probably. I don't. What are you gonna show me? This is like every second, right? Yeah. Oh, because it should be half a second, right? Is that what's going wrong? No. Not really. That actually somehow looks much worse. I thought it would be,
No clue.
I just like, you know what, fuck it, dude, your cosine. Bitch.
That
better. Works.
Yeah.
Kinda, mostly. I think it's because there's a clamp or some shit on it, but yeah.
I think it's fine.
Yay. Yeah. So, of course, that is kind of funny, but. Oh shit, dude, it's like trying to overwrite my fucking mouse. Yeah, I'll figure that out. Whatever.
Yeah, because honestly, maybe it should wobble as well, like that. Like,
yeah.
Plus whatever your other one is.
Yeah, I was gonna have a thing where it's like this is like a passive wobble that just gets added to the rotation after the fact.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Alright, that's what I'm calling it.
Yeah, same. I'm really tired. I need to go to bed.
Well, thank you everybody for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out. Dante 9 playtest eventually sometime soon.
Yeah.
Hopefully. We have a list of things that we want to have done.
This is
and,
true.
They are not done. That's okay.
We're getting there.
Pick one of three.
Pick one
Right.
of three.
Good night,
Hey,
night.
can everybody will be
We'll be
back
back on Sunday.
Sunday? Yeah,
It's
I forgot what
Thursday
day it
already,
was.
which is
Yeah.
fucking crazy.